it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is kind of like a last minute thing because this beautiful box just arrived. Sorry, I had to take my address, but it's completely sealed and I really wanted to record a video and I really wanted to share it with you guys, and so I said I have to do it today. So here we are. This is my second Stitch Fix box. Stitch Fix, right? Yes. I decided to sign up when we were kind of, I guess, at the peak of our quarantine. I actually got inspired by a YouTuber and her name is Jen LaForge, and I will link her YouTube channel down below. You can go check her out. She has amazing content. She has an amazing channel. She actually has 2 channels, so be sure to check her out. So she inspired me to do a Stitch Fix. She has done a few and I really liked the videos and I really loved the outfits that she was getting, so I said, you know what the heck, let me try. So I did, and it was really fun. It almost felt like a dating website. Not that I'm on the dating website, but it kind of felt like that when you're filling out the questions, letting them know what you like, what you don't, what your budget is, what you want to see, what you don't want to see, what you're okay with, what you're not okay with. But it was fun. It was fun to do the whole account, kind of put everything together, and then I was just waiting. I had something that was coming in the mail and I was so excited. So this is my box number 2. I'm so excited to see what's inside, so we're gonna open it. But before I do that, if you guys are new to the channel and you enjoy mom stuff, kids stuff, Disney obsession, vacations and stuff like that, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me comments down below. Really appreciate those so much. Okay, without further ado, let's get into this box. So I have my knife over here. I'm gonna open it. I'm excited, guys. And I have this little envelope, and inside it says, can you see that? It says, oh hello. You can see it. There you go. And it has, oh my gosh, I'm gonna love this. So it says kind of, I guess, you know, hello Anna, thank you for scheduling your second fix. I'm so excited to be styling this for you. Also, thank you for your feedback on the items from your previous fix. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the card, and she kind of, my stylist kind of goes over things over here. Guys, this is gonna be cute. This is gonna be cute. Okay, so this is how it is. It's packed so nicely. I'm so excited. So also, when I was signing up, I wanted to make sure that the stylist, and I guess once I was creating my account, that they knew that I'm very much on a budget. I needed things that are practical. I needed things that are easy. I needed things to kind of help me with my problem areas, and that those things were very important to me. Yes, of course, I love a nice pair of shoes and nice handbags, but for everyday, like, I don't know, I thought about that this is gonna be for my like everyday. Of course you can change it up. Okay, so let's open this up. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Okay, I'm not going to be trying stuff on, but I'm just going to show it to you guys, and I'll try them on off camera, and then I'll come back and let you know what I think and how I'm loving each piece, and whether I'm keeping it or I'm going to send it back. Okay? Alright, so first thing, it's so pretty. The colors, perfect for the summer. Okay, this is beautiful. I don't see a price tag on this item right now, but I'll check in my invoice and let you know what each one retails for. Okay, now I have another one which is very similar, just a little bit, you know, different pattern and different color, but also look at these colors. It's so pretty. Very pretty. Yeah, I think actually they're, yeah, I think they're like the same style. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, now I have this top, which is also very nice for summer, and it's long enough that I think I can wear it with leggings. Yes, it's actually shorter in the front and then longer to the back. I have another blouse, very pretty. Oh my god, guys, these are so nice. And then I have a straight trouser, which is just black, just perfect. The material is very stretchy. Gosh, I'm so excited to try these on. Okay, so I have the Invoice. So the trousers are $58, which is not bad. And the blouses, which I got 4, they run from $64 to $38. So this whole order is $176.50 and minus $20 credit for the styling fee. So before all the discounts, this order is $262, which I think is not too bad. It's a little bit high, but not bad. So if I'm buying everything, they're giving me the 25% discount, so that comes out to be minus $65.50. So that brings my total, and minus the styling fee, brings my total to $176.50. So not bad. So I'm gonna turn the camera off. I'm gonna go try these things on, and I'll be back and I'll let you guys know what I think and which ones were my favorite. I'll be back. Might be like 20 minutes, but in camera life it'll be like 2 seconds. Okay, I'm back. So I tried everything on. I love most of it, but I don't love all of it. So here is what I really liked. So, oops, I didn't even turn it back. I really liked this one. I would typically not pick such a pattern if I'm shopping for myself in the store, but the fit is really nice, and like I said right away, that the back is a little bit longer, so I can wear it with leggings and feel really, really comfortable. So this one is definitely a keeper, and I think it's really nice colors for summer. It's really cute. Then I have this blouse. Sorry, I should have put them back the way they needed to be. This blouse is very nice, very light. I felt very comfortable wearing it. I also like the pattern and the colors, so this one is definitely a keeper. Now, the trousers, which are just regular black, love the material. It's actually kind of like thick but stretchy, and they felt really good. The only thing, they're a little bit too big. And from what I'm reading over here, what she left me is that they're supposed to actually, they're supposed to be kind of like Spanx, I guess, but Spanx slash leggings, but this is a trouser, so it's supposed to, I guess, give you that nice snug tight feel, but these are just a little bit big, so I might have to exchange it. I feel like in my last box, when I was looking either through some of these things or I went back online, I think it said that you have an option to exchange something and still keep your discount, but I'll have to double check. Now, this top I love. It's very nice, again, very summer, and I think I'm definitely gonna keep it. I think I could even wear it in the fall because the colors are just so pretty. But it's not my favorite. Like, I like it, but I don't have to have it, type of thing. Now, this one, which is a very similar style to the other one, probably turned it back. But this one has, you see this? So it comes much higher on your neckline, like almost like right here for me. And then it has these cutouts that I'm just not feeling. And this particular top is, let me find it really quick. It's $64. So I think even if I end up sending this back, the discount that I got is $65. So I guess maybe it almost kind of like washes itself out, except I think I will lose the styling fee. credit. I don't know, I have to double check. But anyways, so this was my Stitch Fix. Pretty happy. Very nice. Again, like I said, I wanted to give this a try because I would never go and shop and pick these items for myself. So it's definitely nice surprise, and I like that they give you like this card and they show you how you could style everything, which is very, very helpful for someone who is not a fashionista, someone who is on the go mom with 2 young kids. So this is perfect. Anyways guys, so that's about it. I do have, I guess, like a referral code, which I'll link it down below. So if you guys want to sign up, give it a try. I think it's worth it. I think it's nice, it's refreshing, and especially during these times where you really can't just go to this store, that store, you know. I think this is good. Let me know, have you done a Stitch Fix box, a subscription? How do you like it? Have you found it to be useful? Do you have any tips or tricks or suggestions? Because obviously everyone has such a different preference of what they're looking for, and they have so many different stylists. So if there's something that I need to know, please leave it in the comments down below, because I would really, really appreciate that. And again, big thanks to my friend Jen LaForge for getting me hooked on Stitch Fix. Thanks, Jen. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, please be sure to like and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and leave me comments down below. Really appreciate those. Alright guys, I'll see you real soon. Bye.